Isaiah, can you say bacon? Bacon? Cookie? How about water? Water? Mm-hmm. How about happy? Happy. Happy? Is that your happy face? Oh my goodness. Happy face? Happy? Happy. There you go. Can you say outside? Outside? What do you see outside? Do you see a tree? You see a tree out there? Tree? Or a bird? Tree with a bird?
Boo.
Boo? Okay, don't gag yourself, please. Are you eating your bacon? Bacon? You're just not going to do that sign for me. Die? You want to go outside in a little while? And see the tree? Yeah, tree. And a bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Maybe we'll see a cat.
Meow.
Meow. Or maybe we'll see a monkey. How about a cow? Remember cow? Moo. Moo. Maybe we'll see a duck. Quack, quack, quack. You're silly. Can you say hi? Hi. Now say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.